ओम महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. Ayun
Ayun
Rilag
Rilag
Eong
Eong
Ayouj
Ayouj
Hayavarad
Hayavarad
Lan
London
Nyamangandanam
Nyamangananam
Jabhai
Jabhai
Kadadash
Khadadash
Jabagadadash
Jabagadash
Khapa Chatata Chatatau
Khapachatatachatatau
Kapai
Kapai
Shashasar
Shashasar
Hal.
Hal
Each is a sutra. 14 sutras are there. It's a Mageshwara Sutra. Mageshwarat Agatani Sutrani, Mageshwara Sutrani. These came from Lord Shiva himself. The Damaru, from the Damaru of Lord Shiva. Sound, it emerged in the form of the sutras. Agivun, Nurluk, E Om, I Au, Chaya Bharat, Lan. Each time when he beated his Damaru, sound came. Agivun, first time. Second time, Ruluk. So 14 times, 14 different sounds, and the sounds came in the form of sutra, and it's called Mageshwara Sutra. Covers all the akshara, all the letters of the language. All the letters are captured here. So this Mageshwara Sutrani. Next one. Akarantaha Pullingaha Ramashabdaha.
Akarantaha Pullingaha Ramashabdaha
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha
Ramam Ramo Raman.
Ramam Ramo Raman
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramehi.
Ramena Ramabhyamaihi
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
Ramaya Ramabhyamaihi
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha.
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम्
रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम्
रामे रामयोगो रामेषु
रामे रामयोः रामेषु
हे राम हे रामो हे रामाः
हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः
important shabda. Shabda Rama is the Pratipadika, which is Akarantaha, ends with the letter A, therefore Akarantaha. And Linga is Pullinga, masculine, therefore Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha. That is a description of the Pratipadikam Rama. And Rama is a noun base, Pratipadikam, cannot be used in the language. It has to be converted to a Padam, Nama Padam. And Nama Padam is presented in the form of this 8 vibhaktis and 3 vachanam. How many vibhaktis? 8. 7 plus 1. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. And last one is Sambodhana. Sambodhana, Pratama vibhakti. Sambodhana is addressing, calling. Hey Rama, oh Rama, come here. Hey Rama, listen. That is Sambodhana. So each vibhakti captures the prepositional meaning, equivalent prepositional meaning of the English language. We're trying to learn Sanskritam to another language. That is why always we have to compare with the known language. The known language being English. Therefore, I'm saying English. If other language, mother tongue is there, you can compare with that. So all the prepositional meanings are captured in the vibhakti. First one is Pratama Vibhakti, first case. First case, we call as first case in English or Pratama Vibhakti in Sanskritam. Let us use only Sanskrita words. Pratama Vibhakti is better. First case also you can use, nothing wrong. This first case, second case also no problem. I'm using Pratama Vibhakti. Pratama Vibhakti denotes the subject of the sentence. It denotes the subject. What is a sentence? A Vakya is nothing but will have an action. An action will denote the subject or object or other things. Invariably, every sentence will have an action. A verb must be there. Verb indicates action. So without verb, there are no sentences. No sentences without verb. Even if you say, he is Rama, Asti. Asti is Kriya Padam. Asti. That is a verb. No sentences without verb. And connected to the verb are these vibhaktis. These vibhaktis are connected to the verb. When you say is, who is? Rama is. Rama is a subject. So Rama is a subject. And subject is captured in Pratama Vibhakti. If the subject is singular, then Ramaha. If the subject is plural, then Ramau. If the subject is dual, if it is dual, Ramau. If it is plural, then Ramaha, Bhagavachanam. The Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Depending on the Kriya Padam, the verb. If the verb is singular, subject will be singular. If the verb is dual, therefore subject will be dual. If the verb is plural, subject will be plural. Who are they? They are students. They are students. He is a student. According to the verb, you see the vachanam, the number change. The same thing here also. So far we have learned only Pratama Vibhakti. So Pratama Vibhakti indicates, Pratama Vibhakti tells that the subject of the sentence having an action, and the subject of action will be in Pratama Vibhakti. This Rama Shabda is only for Akaranta Pullinga. For that, this is a model. With the same Rama Shabda, you can decline any Shabda, any Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, declinable if you know Rama Shabda. Ganesha, the same format. Suresha, the same format. Aditya, same. Surya, same. Any Shabda you take, any Pullinga Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, decline the same format as Rama. Suppose if we take Aditya, Adityaha, Adityau, Adityaha, Adityam, Adityau, Adityan, Adityena, Adityabhyam, Adityaihi. So that is how we just decline. Same as Rama. So, if you know Rama, then all the Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas are as known. Okay, this is one. Then, the next Shabda is Akaranta Shabda, Hari Shabda. If you know Hari Shabda, all the Pullinga, Ikaranta Shabdas are declinable. If you know Hari, then you can decline Kapi. Kapi means monkey. You can decline Kavi. All those Ikaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda, that mark it, Pullinga. This is specific for masculine or declinable. If you know Hari Shabda. Therefore, we need to know one master Shabda for each Anta and each Linga. This is, first we are dealing with Pullinga, then we will deal with Strilinga, then deal with Napumsakalinga. Though we have already know the Pratama Vibhakti of some words and pronouns in all the Vibhakti, all the Lingas. All the Lingas we know, but we are going to deal with them in detail. So therefore, we need to know. Now let us chant this Hari Shabda, which is Ikaranta Pullinga. You need to memorize this Hari Shabda also. Keep chanting it every day as a daily routine. Nitya Parayana, Rama, Hari. I will add one more Shabda, Guru. So right time to memorize it now. Let us chant. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha.
Ikarantaha
पुल्लिङ्गः
Hari
हरिशब्दः
Harihi Hari Harayaha.
Harihi
हरि
Hari
हरयः
Harim Hari Harin.
Harim
हरीन्
Harina Haribhyam Haribihi.
हरिणां हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
Harehe Haryoho Harinam.
हरेः हर्योः हरिणां
Haro Haryoho Harishu.
हरौ हर्योः हरिषुः
He Hare He Hari He Harayaha.
हे हरे हरि हे हरयः
Now, Girijaji, you can
Yes.
decline Pratama Vibhakti of the word Kavi. Kavi meaning poet. Same
Kavi Kavayah
again.
Kavim Dvitiya Vibhakti
No,
Kavim.
only Pratama Vibhakti you do it.
Okay. Kavi Kavayah
Then Priyaji, Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yes, Sri. Kavim, Kavi, Kaveen.
Then Kausalyaji, Tritiya Vibhakti.
कविना कविभ्याम कविभिः
Pratyusha. You can do the Chaturthi Vibhakti.
कवये कविभ्यां कविभ्यः
Process. Manjulaji. Panchami.
कवे कविभ्यां कविभ्यः
विभक्ति श्रुति जी
कवेः
कवेः
कव्योः कव्योः
कव्योः कवेः
कव्योः
कव्योः yeah
कवीनां
kavyoho hari becomes har and yoho right kavi
Yes, Guruji.
kav plus yoho kavyoho
कव्योः
hari hari plus yoho hari the e is dropped becomes har plus yoho haryoho the same thing
हरियोः
e is dropped kav plus yoho kavyoho
कव्योः
next person Lataji saptami
कवौ कव्योः कविषु
next person Naraji sambodha
हे कवे हे कवि हे कव्यः
not kavyah kavayah
कवयः
so this is Hari Shabda. Now the next one. Understand this. Ukarantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha
उकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
शब्दः
Guru Guru Guravaha
गुरुः
गुरु गुरवः
रवः
Gurum Guru Gurun
गुरुं
गुरून्
Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi
गुरुणा
गुरुभ्यां
गुरुभिः
Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyah
गुरवे
गुरुभ्यां
गुरुभ्यः
Guroh Gurubhyam Gurubhyah
गुरोः
गुरुभ्यां
गुरुभ्यः
Guroh Gurvoh Gurunam
गुरोः
गुरूणां
Gurau Gurvoh Gurushu
गुरौ
गुरुषु
He Guru He Guru He Guravaha
हे गुरु
हे गुरु
हे गुरवः
Are you reading this for the first time, this Guru Shabda?
Yes, Guruji.
So, Guru is Ukaranta. Ukarantaha, Pullinga Shabda. So, if you know Guru, you can decline any Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabda. Guru is there. Now, let us do. Taru. Taru means tree, Vriksha. Taru means tree. Same way, like Guru, you can decline Taru. Want more Shabdas for practice? Please see the Sanskrita notebook. First one. There lot of Shabdas are given. Akaranta Shabda, Ikaranta Pullinga. Remember, we use that for reading practice.
Yes.
So there you can see many Shabdas are given. You can take Shabda and you can practice. You can decline. You can write or you can say it. Now let us do Taru. Taru meaning tree. So Pratibhaji, you can see Prathama Vibhakti.
तरुः तरु तरवः
Taruhu, one tree. Taru, two trees. Taravaha, many trees. Taru meaning tree. Vriksha. It is also Akaranta. So like Rama Shabda also you can decline. Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, Vrikshaha. Okay, next person. Prabhakarji. Sorry, Vidyaji. Vidyaji is there and then Prabhakarji.
Tarum,
Tarum, Taru, Tarunam, Tarun.
Next person. Prabhakarji.
Yes,
Tritiya.
Taruna, Tarubhyam, Tarubhihi.
Tarubhihi. Next person. Next Chaturthi Vibhakti.
तरुवे तरुभ्यां तरुभ्यः तरवे
Tarave, yes. Tarave.
तरवे तरुभ्यां Tarubhyah.
Tarubhyah. Next person. After Mekala, Kanakaji.
Taru, taru, tarure.
No, Guroho is there. Make it into. Guroho is there.
Taroho,
That's all. Simple. Same thing.
taroho, tarobhyam.
Tarubhyam, not Tarubhyam.
Tarubhyam, sorry, tarubhyam, tarubhyah.
Tarubhyah. Taroho, Tarubhyam, Tarubhyah. With a little practice, it will come. So you take more shabdas and try.
Okay, Guru.
Taroho, Tarubhyam, Tarubhyah. That is Chaturthi. Now Girjaji, Panchami. Girjaji. Okay, next person, Priyaji.
Tarohu, tarvohu,
Taro, Panchami. Taroho,
Panchami. Tarohu, tarubhyam, tarubhyah.
Taroho, Tarubhyam, Tarubhyah. Next person, Kausalaji. Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti means six. Sixth case.
Taroho, tarvoho, tarunam.
Yes. Taroho, Tarvoho. Guru becomes Gur. Taru will become Tar. And then add Voho. Gurvoho. Tarvoho. Guruna. Right? Taruna. Next person. Pratyushaji. Saptami Vibhakti.
Tarau, tarvoho, tarushu.
Good. Tarau, Tarvoho, Tarushu. Next one, Manjulaji. Last one. Sambodhana Pratama.
हे तरो हे तरु हे तरु तरवः
Hetaro, Hetaru, Hetaravaha. Okay. So please do more practice on this Ukaranta and Ikaranta Shabda. You can take from the Samskrita Patanam. First book is there. Lot of words are there. You can practice. Now let us move on to the exercise. Page number 52. Shrutiji, you can read.
ते के एते वृद्धे एताः काः एताः वृद्धाः
Esha ka, starting from there. Singular, dual, and plural.
एषा का next one aja can I do
Yes. Yeah, can do.
yeah एषा का एषा अजा एते के एते
Esha,
अजे
Aja only, not Ajaha. Female.
अजा
Esha ka, Aja.
एषा का एषा अजा yeah I told aja guruji maybe I think it's yeah एते के एते अजे एताः काः एताः अजाः
Continue.
एषा का एषा बालिका एते के एताः काः एताः बालिकाः एषा का एषा छात्रा एते के एते छात्रे एताः काः एताः छात्राः
So this exercise, these words deal with Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga Shabda, proper nouns and demonstrative pronouns. Etad. So Etad Shabda we know. Esha, Ete, Etaha. And proper nouns is Vriddha, Aja. All these are Akaranta Shabda. Like Rama Shabda we learned. Similarly, we will learn later Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Once we finish studying some of the Strilinga Shabda, then we will be seeing Akaranta Shabda, Strilinga Shabdas. Next person, Lataji.
एषा का एषा जननी एते के एते जनन्यौ
Voice is feeble.
एताः काः
Headphone.
ताः जनन्यः एषा का एषा पुत्री एते के एते पुत्रे
पुत्र्यौ
पुत्र्यौ sorry एते पुत्र्यौ एताः काः एताः पुत्र्याः
पुत्र्यः
पुत्र्यः
नदी शब्द नदी
नदी नद्यौ नदी
okay, we didn't chant today but you know the shabda nadi nadyau nadyah ikaranta shabda okay ikaranta shabda previous what Shruti read all these were akaranta shabda ma rame ramaha now what you are reading is ikaranta shabda so janani jananyo jananyah putri putrya putyah then continue
एषा का एषा नर्तकी एते के एते नर्तक्यौ एताः काः एताः नर्तक्यः
yes
एषा का एषा महिषी एते के एते महिष्यौ एताः काः एताः महिष्यः
yes next person
एषा का एषा अध्यापिका एते के एते अध्यापिके एताः काः एताः अध्यापिकाः एषा का एषा लता एते के एते लते एताः काः एताः लताः एषा का एषा सखा
shakha
शाखा
branch
एते के एते शाखे एताः काः एताः शकाः
shakha
शका शकाः
shakha 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 means branch shakha shakhe shakha rama rame ma
शाकाः
yes next person pratibha
शाखा
sorry I can continue you can complete the last one also
एषा का एषा पत्रिका एते एते के एते पत्रिके
not patrika this is not
Aha.
patrika is it
एता पत्रिकाः
I think not hearing what I'm saying this is not patrika this is panjika this is panjika not patrika this is not a paper this is a register
Okay.
panjika
Panchika.
are you using mobile or laptop
iPad.
yeah you can zoom and
It's a little small. I make it bigger.
panjika
Panchika. एषा का एषा पंचिका
yes next person pratibha ji
Yes. एषा का एषा माला एते के एते माले एताः काः एताः मालाः
aha
मालाः
etaha the question etaha taha
एताः मालाः
yes
एषा का एषा मक्षिका एते के एते मक्षिके एताः काः एताः मक्षिकाः एषा का एषा पेटिका एते के एते पेटिके एताः काः एताः पेटिकाः एषा का एषा पत्रिका एते के एते पत्रिके एताः काः एताः पत्रिकाः एषा का एषा चटका एते के एते चटके एताः काः एताः चटकाः एषा का एषा पिपीलिका एते के एते पिपीलिके एताः काः एताः पिपीलिकाः
Good. Person, Shvidyaji. Number 25. So now we have to fill the blanks with the proper word. Bottom should be found. Okay, we can do. First 5 we can do.
एषा ओके ओके गुरुजी एषा का एषा गृहिणी एते
Grihini,
के
not
गृहिणी गृहिणी
not gra.
गृहिणी गृहिणी
Yes, yeah.
गृहिणी एते के एते गृहिण्यौ एताः काः एताः गृहिण्यः गृहिण्यः
Yes.
एषा का एषा नटी एते के एते नट्यौ एताः काः एताः नट्यः एषा का एषा नारी एते के एते नार्यौ एताः काः एताः नार्यः एषा का एषा जननी जननी एते के एते जनन्यौ एताः काः एताः जनन्यः एषा का एषा चलनी एते के I'm sorry Guruji, I'm so sorry. एषा चालनी एते के एते चालन्यौ एताः काः एताः चालन्यः एषा का एषा गति gati right someone
Yeah.
whispering am I wrong
Right only. Esha gati.
right on gati okay ete gatyau etaah kaha etaah gatyah
Yes, next person.
Is it Meera?
Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah. Sixth one, sorry, Guruji.
Yes, yes. Sixth.
Okay, so it's Eshaha Kaha Esha Kartari. Ete Ke Ete Kartaryau. Etaha Kaha Etaha Kartaryah. Eshaha Kaha Etaha Lekani.
Esha ka.
Oh, Esha ka. Esha. Esha.
Esha ka. Esha lekani.
Okay, sorry, Guruji. Okay, Esha ka. Esha lekani. Ete ke. Ete lekanyau. Then etaha kaha. Etaha lekanyah. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha ankani.
Esha ka.
Yeah, sorry. Esha ka. Esha ankani. Correct, Guruji?
Yeah.
Ete ke. Ete ankanyau. Etaha kaha. Etaha ankanyau. Ankanyah. Ankanyah. Esha ka. Esha nagari.
Esha ka.
Esha ka.
Correct. Esha ka only.
Esha ka. Esha nagari. Ete ke. Ete nagaryau. And then Esha. Eta ka.
Etaha kaha.
Eta. Okay, sorry. Etaha kaha. Eta nagaryau. Nagaryah. Esha ka. Esha Veni. Ete ke, ete venyau. And then eta, etaha, kaha, etaha, vedanyaha.
Venyaha.
Vedanyaha.
Veni,
Venyaha. Venyaha. Yes, Guruji.
Next person. Next Raji. Here onward, Napumsakalinga starts. The need to know the Napumsakalinga interrogative pronouns and simple Akaranta Shabda declension. Akaranta Shabda, example, Pala Shabda, that they have been chanting. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Pala Shabdaha, Palam Pale Palani. An interrogative pronoun, Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Kim Shabdaha, Kim Kekani. These words you have to use. Okay. Can do.
एषः किम्?
No.
एषः विमानम्.
Yeshaha is Pullinga.
पुल्लिङ्ग. Oh, this is नपुंसकलिङ्ग. एतद्, एतौ, एताः.
Etad, ete, etani.
एतद्, एते, एतानि.
Etad Shabda, Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, etad.
Okay.
Please remember this.
एतद् किम्?
Chant.
एतद् विमानम्.
Etad Vimanam. Yes. Etad
एते के, एते विमाने. एतानि कानि, एतानि विमानानि.
Yes.
एतद् किम्? एतद् व्यजनम्. एतद्, एते के, एते व्यजने. एतानि कानानि.
Kani.
एतानि कानि, एतानि व्यजनानि.
Is my voice clear to all? Is it breaking?
No, it's right, Guruji.
No, it's clear.
Sometimes it breaks.
It's
breaking slightly, Guruji.
Sorry?
Slightly it's breaking.
Slightly breaking. It's not difficult, right?
But it's okay, we can hear you.
Sometimes it's breaking, but we can.
Yeah, we can figure out, Guruji. Like we are
Yeah.
able to understand, but it's breaking a little bit.
Okay, if it is very difficult, then you can let me know. I mean, if my voice is low, you can increase your voice in the volume.
Yeah, okay.
You can increase the laptop or mobile, that volume you can increase. I have kept it at 45, that is the right one for me.
Yes, now your voice is clear, sir.
If my voice is breaking, not clear, then you can let me know.
Now it's clear.
Yeah, in between it may break because of.
I mean, as long as we understand what you're saying, that's fine, Guruji.
It should not go that much. I mean, you should not guess what I'm saying. You may know.
Yeah.
But,
I get it.
It is. I thought it is. It's clear. It's not breaking. I'm assuming. Like, I don't know. Yeah.
Sometimes that muffling happens.
Etad, should I continue?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Etad kim? Etad chatram. Ete ke? Ete chatre. Etani kani? Etani chatrani.
Let's continue.
Etad kim? Etad simhasanam. Ete ke? Ete simhasane. Etani kani? Etani simhasanani.
Yes. Next person.
Ete.
एतत् किम्? एतत् पात्रम्. एते के? एते पात्रे. एतानि कानि? एतानि पात्राणि. एतत् किम्? एतत् नाणकम्. Is it right, Guruji? Nanakam.
Nanakam is rupee.
Okay.
एतत् किम् एतत् नाणकम् एते के एते नाणके एतानि कानि एतानि नाणकानि. Can you scroll down a bit, Guruji? I can see the एतत् किम् एतत् गृहम् एते के एते गृहे एतानि कानि एतानि गृहाणि. एतत् किम् एतत् नेत्रम् एते के एते नेत्रे एतानि कानि एतानि नेत्राणि. एतत् किम् एतत् कमलम् एते के एते कमले एतानि कानि एतानि कमलानि. एतत् किम् एतत् वस्त्रम्. Is it right, Guruji?
Yes, vastram.
Vastram.
Vastram means dress.
Okay. एते के एते वस्त्रे एतानि कानि एतानि वस्त्राणि.
Yes. Next person.
Mr. Guruji.
Yeah.
Kani.
Can read, yeah.
Viman. Okay. Etat kim? Etat vimanam. Etani kani etani vimanani. Etat kim? Etat chatram. Etani kani etani chatrani. Amrapalam. Kim? Etat amrapalam. Etani kani etani amrapalani.
Urukam.
Urkam. What is that, Guruji? I don't know the picture. Urkam.
It's a pant, trouser. Etat.
Oh, okay. Etat kim? Etat urkam. Etani kani etani urkani. Kamalam. Etat kim? Etat kamalam. Etani kani etani kamalani. Vyajanam. Etat kim? Etat vyajanam. Etani kani etani vyajanani. Next is netram. Etat kim? Etat netram. Etani kani etani netrani. Shirt, I forgot.
Yutakam.
Sorry.
Yutakam.
Yutakam. Yeah. Etat kim? Etat yutakam. Etani kani etani yutakani. Leaf.
Parnam.
Patram. Parnam. Etat kim? Etat parnam. Etani kani etani parnani.
Panasapalam.
Panasam. Etat kim? Etat panasam. Etani kani etani panasani.
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 Panasapalam.
Panasapalam.
Panasapalam. Jackfruit. Okay. Okay. Etat kim? Etat panasapalam. Etani kani etani panasapalani.
Yes. Good. Next person now. So I think now the voice will be clear, right?
Guruji.
Yeah.
Guruji, urukam, what is that, Guruji?
Urukam means trouser.
Pant.
Okay.
Pant. Yutakam, shirt.
Shirt. Another name also there. Kara. For shirt, kara something we have.
Karavastram.
Karavastram.
No, Karavastram is handkerchief.
Sorry, Karavastram.
Sorry.
Shirt is vastram only.
Not Guruji.
For a shirt.
Karashukam. Karashukam.
Yeah,
Padashukam.
Padashukam. Yes. Yes. I said Yutakam now. It's okay. It's not the shirt. I didn't see the shirt. Yutakam means t-shirt. Okay.
Yeah.
Miraji.
Okay, Guruji.
Yutakam is t-shirt.
T-shirt. Okay.
I didn't see it properly. That Karashukam is shirt. Karavastram is handkerchief.
Karashukam.
And Padashukam. Padashukam is
pant.
Trouser is urukam.
Urukam. Okay.
Next person. So I changed the the speaker now, log into some other's computer also. So there will be two Arshavidya Varshini will be there. It's me. Okay, Girijaji, now you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Etat kim, etat alukam, etat ke, etat aluke.
Aluke. Alu is Saraswa.
Aluke.
Yeah.
Okay. Aluke. Etat kim, etat lashunam, etat ke, etat lashune. Etat kim, etat kridanakam.
Yes.
Etat ke, kridanake.
I think you have done some homework.
Yes, Guruji. Etat kim, etat vyajanam. Etat ke, etat vyajane. Etat kim, etat patram. Is that right? Patram?
Yes, right.
Etat ke, etat patre. Etat kim, etat pustakam. Etat ke, etat pustake. Etat kim, etat loka
Yanam.
Lokayanam.
Lokayanam.
Sorry. Etat Lokayanam.
Lokayanam means the path of the world, like Ramayanam, Lokayanam.
Yes. Sorry. Lokayanam.
Yes.
Etat ke, etat Lokayane. Etat kim. Sorry.
Yes.
Etat ke, etat vimanam. Etat kim, etat vimanam. Etat ke, etat vimane. Yeah, sorry. Etat kim.
Isn't it ete kim? Ete ke?
Yeah, I just realized. That's why I came back.
Yeah,
Etat ke,
everywhere it is
etat
Dvivachanam
vimanam.
is ATK only. What did you ask?
I mean, I did it the wrong way.
Oh,
Guruji, they
Etat
pointed.
Kim. Okay.
Yeah, I
ATK.
changed the
Yes.
Vachanam for it. That's why they picked it up.
Okay, fine.
Etat kim, etat chatram.
Chatram.
Chatram. Chatram is student, sorry. Etat kim, etat chatram. Etat ke, ete chatre. Etat kim, etat upanetram. Ete ke, ete upanetre.
Yes. So etat singular, ete dual.
Yes.
Etat, ete, ethani. Priyaji, next one.
Etat kim, etat pustakam. Ete ke, ete pustake. Etani kani, etani pustakani. Etat kim, etat pushpam. Ete ke, ete pale. Etani kani, etani phalani. Can you please scroll, Ji?
Yes.
Etat kim, etat patram. Ete ke, ete patre. Etani kani, etani patrani.
Okay, next person. You can do the 5 Kausalyachi. So, Riktasthanani Purayantu. So you have to fill in the blanks.
Etat kim, etat pushpam. Ete ke, ete pushpe. Etani kani, etani pushpani. Etat kim, etat vyajanam. Ete ke, ete vyajane. Etani kani, etani vyajanani. Etat kim, etat phalam. Ete ke, ete phale. Etani kani, etani phalani. Ete etat kim, etat griham. Ete ke, ete grihe. Etani kani, etani grihani. Etat kim, ete etat mandiram. Ete ke, ete mandire. Etani kani, etani mandirani.
You continue, but just tell the word alone. You don't have to ask the question.
Okay.
Dash nagaram.
Okay. Etat nagaram, ete nagare, etani nagarani. Etat parnam, ete parne, etani parnani. Etat kamalam, ete kamale, etani kamalani. Etat dwaram, ete dware, etani dwarani. Etat kagadam, ete kagade, etani kagadani.
Kagadam means paper.
paper.
Next person, Pratyusha ji.
एषः बालकः एतौ बालकौ एते बालके
एते बालकाः
एते बालकाः sorry एषा बालिका एते बालिके एताः बालिकाः एतत् पुस्तकम् एते पुस्तके एतानि पुस्तकानि.
What comes next also, already you have read that, so you can skip that. The next one you can read. Udaharananusharam prashnanam uttarani likantu. So you have to answer the question. Yeah, continue.
सः कः सः काकः तौ कौ तौ काकौ ते के ते काकाः.
So what is the difference with the previous lesson? This you are using tad shabda.
Yes, this, that, and this.
Yeah, that. So etad is this, that is tad. So tad pullinga, strilinga, napumsakalinga, we will see coming out. Yeah, continue.
सः कः सः कपोतः तौ कौ तौ कपोतौ ते के ते कपोते. सः कः
ते कपोते
ते कपोताः.
Kapotaha, because pullinga.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
सः कः सः मकरः तौ कौ तौ मकरौ ते के ते मकराः. सः कः सः सैनिकः तौ कौ तौ सैनिकौ ते के ते सैनिकाः.
Continue.
सः कः सः अश्वः तौ कौ तौ अश्वौ ते के ते अश्वाः. सः कः सः वानरः तौ कौ तौ वानरौ ते के ते वानराः. सः कः सः भल्लूकः तौ कौ तौ भल्लूकौ ते के ते बन्दुकाः. सः कः सः शुकः तौ कौ तौ शुकौ ते के ते शुकाः. सः कः सः बकः बकः तौ कौ तौ बकौ ते के ते बकाः.
Next person, Manjula ji. So Ruktasthānāni Purayantu. Now Strilinga is introduced. Yeah.
सा का सा चटका ते के ते चटके ताः काः ताः चटकाः. सा का
Shakha, branch.
या गुरुजी. सा शाखा ते के ते शाखे ताः काः ताः शाखाः. सा का सा
Kalika.
कलिका.
Bud.
या सा का सा कलिका ते के ते कलिके ताः काः ताः कलिकाः. सा का सा पिपीलिका ते के ते पिपीलिके ताः काः ताः पिपीलिकाः.
Continue.
सा का
You see Ikaranta Shabda now. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda.
या गुरुजी. सा का सा मक्षिका
Makshika, kutra asti?
या मक्षिकी.
No, it's not ma, it is Bhikshuki.
ओ भिक्षुकी. या गुरुजी. ते के ते भिक्षुक्यौ ताः काः ताः भिक्षुक्यः. सा का सा नर्तकी ते के ते नर्तक्ये नर्तक्ये ताः काः ताः नर्तक्यः.
No. Te ke te nartakyau.
ते नर्तक्यौ.
Nartakye. Nartaki nartakyau. Taha kaha.
नर्तक्याः नर्तक्यः.
Yes.
नर्तक्यः.
Then
नदी
Yes, Nadi.
सा का सा नदी ते के ते नद्यौ ताः काः ताः नद्यः नार्यौ नारी सा का सा नारी ते के ते नार्यौ ताः काः ताः नार्यः
Good. Next person, Shruti ji.
तत् तत् किं तत् फलं ते के ते फले तानि कानि तानि फलानि तत् किं तत् पुष्पं ते के ते पुष्पे तानि कानि तानि पुष्पाणि तत् गृहं ते गृहे तानि गृहाणि तत् व्यजनं ते व्यजने तानि व्यजनानि तत् पर्णं ते पर्णे तानि पर्णानि
What
तत्
linga
पत्रं
all
ते
are?
पत्रे नपुंसकलिंग
All Napumsakalinga. Yes.
तत् पत्रं ते पत्रे तानि पत्राणि तत् गुञ्जनं
No.
ते
Grinjanam.
गृञ्जनं
What is
तत्
Grinjanam?
गृञ्जनं
What is Grinjanam? Carrot.
कैरेट ओके ओके गुरुजी तत् गृञ्जनं ते गृञ्जने तानि गृञ्जनानि तत् आलुकं ते आलुके तानि आलुकानि तत् पनसं ते पनसे तानि पनसानि तत् कमलं ते कमले तानि कमलानि
Next person. Avadeyam. Avadeyam means should be known. Pratama vibhaktihi. Dhyanena patanto. We have seen everything. We have seen so many times. Yeshaha yeto yete. Yesha yete yetaha. Yetat yete yetani. And we have also seen one more shabda. One more. What is that?
I am.
Idam shabda. Yes. Idam in all the gender. Please remember that also. In this exercise, you will not find that idam shabda usage, but you need to know because we have seen ayam, imau, ime for pullinga. For strilinga, it is iyam, ime, imaha. And for napumsakalinga, it is idam, ime, imani. Remember that also. Then tat shabda sagataute satetaha tattetani kakakauke kakekaha kimkekani. And for pullinga, strilinga, we have seen. So all these are revision only. Next one. Next person. Next person is Lataji, right?
एतत् किम् एते के एते कमले एतत् एते एते के एते फले
No, it is far, not close. It is not near.
Okay, good. Okay.
So, therefore,
te ke
te
fale.
Fale, yes.
Those are plural, no? Tani.
Okay, sorry. There many are there. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Many fruits are there. So therefore,
Tani kani.
Tani, not taha. Tani.
तानि फलानि
Tani kani. Tani falani. Okay, continue.
Next.
Who are these two?
Tau kau.
Tau kauna. They are near. They are not far.
Okay, good. Etau kau.
Yes.
Etau adhyapakau.
Adhyapakau. Yes.
Etau kau. Etau chatrau.
Not etau. They are far away.
Okay.
You should know the distance. Prashna is somewhere and the picture is somewhere. It means distance. You are referring to the person far away.
Tau kau. Tau chatrau.
Chatra. Okay.
Etani kani.
Kani. Napumsakalinga. Okay. What is the answer? If it's the question is etani kani.
Mala it is. Okay.
एताः काः
Etaha kaha. Etaha malaha.
Malaha. Okay.
Is far away.
Two peacocks are there. So
Mayuri.
what is the gender of peacock? First, you have to know that.
Mayuri.
Mayuri is peahen. Peacock is Mayuraha. Mayura is peacock. What is it? I didn't hear you. What you said?
It is far away, na Guruji.
Yeah,
Cow?
far away.
Cow.
Cow. Cow Mayura.
Etani kani. Etani amrapalani.
Good.
It is Ashwa goat.
Aja.
Huh?
It is female goat.
Female goat. Okay.
Ajaha.
Ajaha. Ajaha.
Not Ajaha. It is Dvivachanam.
Aja. Ajay.
Ajay. Yes.
Ete.
Ete. Ke. Ete. Ajay.
Yes. Next person. Nalini.
No, green.
Baka. And they are close.
Yeshaha, kaha.
There is no Yeshaha. Have you come across the word Yeshaha anywhere?
Yeshaha.
Yeah, there is no word Yeshaha at all. Any word?
Yeshaha.
Etaha it must be, not Yeshaha. You said Yeshaha.
Yetaha.
There is no word Yeshaha. You can note. Yeshaha is there. Right? Yesha is there. Where is Yeshaha? Is there any word? Yeshaha? Yeshaha, etau, ete. Yesha, ete, etaha. Etat, ete, etani. Kutra asti Yeshaha iti padam?
No, Guruji. It's etaha.
Etaha, okay.
Etaha, kaha. Etaha, bakaha. Yetau.
Then?
Yetau, cow.
Hey, far away.
Far away. Far away is.
First gender. Balluka, Pullinga.
Balluka.
Tatshabda, Pullinga.
Tatshabdaha. So, te. No.
Te.
Cow.
Te.
Cow. Cow. Cow.
Yes.
Cow. Ballakau.
Ballukau.
Ballukau.
Okay.
Yetani kani.
Only one is there.
No, the 11 is Patrani. Oh, I look at all the lists.
Okay. It's a branch actually, or it's a, you can take it as a creeper. Creeper or it's a, okay, whatever you want to take to your choice. I leave it to you. You can take one, take Patra, no problem. Take it.
Otherwise, I can say Yesha ka, Yeshaha.
Yeshaha, Yesha ka, Yesha, Shaka, if it is a branch. If you take it as a Patram, many leaves are there. Etani, Kani.
Nikani, Tani, Patrani.
Etani, Patrani.
Etani, Patrani.
Okay.
Yete, yete ke,
You're
yete.
using yete, yete. Where is yete? It is far away. It can't be yete. Is it near? The box are far away.
So,
you have to see the distance and use the appropriate pronoun and gender also. It is far away. Therefore, Tatshabda. And it is box. Box is Petika.
Petika.
So therefore.
Te, ke,
Yes.
te, petike.
Yes.
This one is Yetau.
Etau. Etau is Pullinga. But here, Naris are there.
Naris are there. So it is Nari. So it will be like Nadi Shabdam. So.
Who are
Te,
these two?
Yeah. te ke, te narike.
They are not far away, right?
Okay. So I'm getting confused with that, Guruji. I
That
need
is why
to
the
ask.
exercise is given, not to get confused. The exercise is given to make it very clear. So far, it has been dealt in detail, specifically. Now he is mixing up. It's not. That's not the confusion. Why is confusion? These have been dealt individually very clearly. Now he is mixing up and giving. So you should be able to use the appropriate pronoun depending on the distance.
Okay.
It is close.
Yes.
Therefore,
Yes.
etat shabda. Now listen. If it is close, therefore etat shabda. What gender? It's Strilinga. Therefore, etat shabda Strilinga you have to take. How many vachanas? How many people are there? 2 are there. Therefore, you have to decline etat shabda in Strilinga and pick up the right vachanam. Yesha, ete, etaha. 2 are there.
Ete ke, ete ke, ete narike.
Not narike. There is no narike word.
No narike. Ete.
Nari only is there.
Naryav.
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 To do this exercise, you must have a clear understanding of what we have seen before. Okay, the next one, continue. What is that?
Etat kim.
Not etat. Again, it is not etat.
Tat kim.
Hmm.
Tat griham.
Tat griham. Okay, continue. Last one.
Chashaka.
Yes.
Eshaha chashakaha.
Eshaha. You said chashaka, the same thing.
Right. Kaha, Eshaha, chashakaha.
Okay.
Te, no. Te ke, te ajaha. No, it's not ajaha.
It is not aja, it is horse.
It's ashwa.
Ashwa, if it is ashwa, how can it be te? 2 horses are there.
It is.
If you take it as a female horse, it is okay. If you take it as a female horse, that's fine. Your statement is correct. Te ke, te ashwe, you can say, if it is a female horse. But it is, whether female or whatever may be. If it is a male horse, then tau kau. Tau ashwau. If it is a female, te ke, te ashwe. If it is a male, tau kau, tau ashwau. Okay. So we stop here. You can note the page number or exercise number. We will do it, continue from the next class. Please practice. You have to practice. Okay. Om Purnamadas Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी. धन्यवाद स्वामीजी. धन्यवाद गुरुजी.